Hello to whoever is watching this video. I want to review the Technics Eah-F50 headphones, which I purchased this week because they were on Black Friday sale and the price dropped pretty low. I've tried to watch some reviews before purchasing them, but turns out that there are not many reviews on these specific headphones, well, at least not in English, which was quite surprising. Anyhow, I went to the store and got them. Guys, these headphones killed all the doubts I had. They sound insane, not just the sound quality, but the way they are built is so premium. The quality of the bag is so smooth and pleasant. Overall packaging was solid and classy. I cannot compare them with other headphones side by side to give you a better idea how they sound, but I can say that the store where I purchased them let you test how high-res headphones such as Sony WH-1000 MX-M4, oh god, I hope that's the name, Bose 700, Beats Studio 3, etc., which I obviously did test them, and from my personal experience I cannot tell the difference between them and Eah-F50s, though I felt like these headphones have deeper bass, which is definitely better for me, and as a matter of fact, on the back side of the box it is written that utilizing a composite performance film CPF diaphragm and equipped with air control precision structure, the newly developed drivers delivers an energetic deep bass response and a wide impressive sound stage. You can now experience the full dynamics and spatial dimensions of live music like never before. I cannot say on the scientific level whether that was the reason or not why I felt that these monsters have a better bass or not. It is subjective, I guess, at the end of the day, but I liked it more than on the other headphones. Now, don't get me wrong, those headphones sound great, and of course it's not just about the bass, vocals and mids. I personally can complain about any of it. Alright, moving on. They come with Bluetooth 4.2, which is weird. To be honest, I haven't experienced any delay or lag whatsoever. Now, as for the battery life, you get 35 hours when fully charged, and it takes approximately 4 hours to charge fully, and you can get 2 hours of battery life just for charging them for 15 minutes. At least that's how it says on the paper. They also come with LDAC, which is audio coding technology that allows high-res audio streaming over Bluetooth up to 96 kHz, which is very important to have. They don't have active noise cancelling, but since they have over-ear structure, it helps the sound to be isolated in a way that when I was listening to the music, I couldn't hear anything. Not saying that this equals to ANC. No, but you get a very good sound isolation. And a quick note, I really wanted to mention this. Technics Eah-F50s are manufactured by Japanese corporation Panasonic.
Panasonic, ideas for life.
And knowing this before, I would have felt more confident purchasing them. Alright, back to the product. Buttons are simple. I found them easy to use, though I wish they were slightly bigger. Now, I know so far I've been saying good stuff about Technics Eah-F50s, and there are other high headphones which I've mentioned previously that have active noise cancelling sensor, can't control latest Bluetooth, and those might be serious reasons to prefer them over Eah-F50s, but remember, the price on these headphones dropped from $329 to $89.99, and at that price, having high-res sound, premium build quality, sound isolation, decent microphone quality, and here is the microphone test from Technics Eah-F50, LDAC, as well as multipoint, which allows you to pair your headphones to multiple devices at the same time. So at that price point, it was a win for me, and I felt it was necessary to review this piece of technology because it truly deserves it. I know I haven't reviewed everything. I don't do reviews normally, and this is my very first review. And if you have a question, leave a comment. Anyway, I'm going to leave a link to the complete list of details in the description of this video. As for now, have a nice day or night wherever you are. Bye.